Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at how we can analyze, group by and summarize data using the powerful group by function in Microsoft Excel. But before we dive right into it, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest of data analytics across different technologies. So let us say in this table of data, I want to summarize the data for the product category and see which product category has yielded the maximum sales. So let's say I can do this by the group by function. I'm going to hit on equal to and let's select the group by function here, and in this case I'm going to select the column by which I want to aggregate, that's the product category, and I'm going to select the column which I want to perform the numerical operations on, that is the total sales. Then I will select what numerical operation I want to perform. So here I can select sum. I can also use median, average and standard deviation if I need among the others. So I'm selecting sum here. Then I'm going to ignore the other two options, and finally I'm going to sort it because I want to see which product category has given the maximum sales. I'm going to sort it by column 2 and minus sign is for descending order. Hit on enter, and here you can see it is given that the electronics has given the maximum sales, followed by home appliances and then kitchen and the total sales. Now let us say I want to do one more level of analysis and go a little bit deeper in this case, and I want to analyze the data across product category and product. So let's see how I can do this. Again, let's hit the group by function. In this case, let us select both the product category and the product. And now let us go to the value fields again and select the total sales. And in this case, I'm going to do sum again. Ignore the next. And here let us say I want grand totals and subtotals because I want to analyze by each product category and product. So I'll click on that option. And again, in this case, I'm going to sort on column number 3. So minus 3. So I just sort on column number 3 and minus sign is for descending. Hit on enter. And here you can see a nice little table. It shows electronics, and under electronics category, the laptop is given the maximum sales, followed by smartphone. And then in the home appliances, the dishwasher has given the maximum sales. So we can do a further analysis. And in kitchen product category, coffee makers given the maximum sales. And here you can see the total, which is matching on top for each product category and product. It's matching here for kitchen, for electronics, and for home appliances. You can see it's matching here. So I hope you like this video. If you want me to make a more detailed analytical video using the group by and period by function, do leave a comment, or any other analytical video in Excel you want me to make, do leave a comment and leave a like on the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.